Hello students. Today in this lecture of jurisprudence, I am going to discuss with you theory of social contract as was propounded by Thomas Hobbes. The theory of jurisprudence which was given by Thomas Hobbes also proceed from the concept of social contract. According to him, man lives in a state of complete confusion and disorder when he was living in the state of nature. According to him, man's life in a state of nature was one of fear and selfishness. This life was solitary, poor, and short. That means to say, when the man was living in a state of nature, then he was living alone. His condition was very poor, and even the life of the human beings was very short. So, he got an idea of self preservation, and this idea of self preservation and avoiding misery and pain are inherent in the nature of man. So the man desire the society so that protection to his life can be provided. These natural tendency of security for the man induce him to enter into a contract, and he surrender his freedom and power to some authority, and this authority was later on known as sovereign authority. Hobbes was a supporter of absolutism. According to Thomas Hobbes, subjects has no right against the sovereign, and the sovereign in no case can be disobeyed by the subjects. According to Hobbes, the church too has no power over the sovereign. Though the church can make suggestions to the sovereign that sovereign should be bound by the natural law, but these are merely the suggestions for the sovereign. Sovereign is not bound by the suggestions as will be given by the church. In this way, Thomas Hobbes given number of contributions in the field of jurisprudence, because during the Civil War in Britain, the theory of Hobbes, which had spotted the concept of absolutism, had spotted the sovereign, because the theory which was propounded by Thomas Hobbes stood for stable and secure government. When the government will be stable, when the government is secure, then it can do its function more effectively. Even Austin and many other later jurists have also taken inspiration from the theory of Hobbes, and they developed this subject of jurisprudence in a very better way. So if you like my lecture, then please subscribe my channel, and if you want to get notes of my lectures, then kindly go to lawarticles2020.blogspot.com. Thank you very much.